evening and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where our vlogs here from Las Vegas continue. And tonight we're here at the Link, which is an area quite close to the Flamingo Hotel and also Caesar's Palace. And what are we here to ride tonight, Charlotte?
The High Roller!
We are indeed. This is a 540-foot tall observation wheel. Was the tallest in the world until the new one opened in Dubai last year. But yeah, here it is behind us. It is absolutely huge. Just want to start off by saying a huge thank you to Caesar's Entertainment for providing us with tickets to come and experience this tonight. But yeah, looking forward to it. You're going to get some great views, Charlotte.
I can't wait to see the strip.
Last time I was up there, they were playing all like pop music in there and having a ride down.
Good.
So I'm hoping that it's going to have that same feel about it. But it's really nice down here at the Link. You've also got the zip wire that's just above as well. We are going to be doing that whilst we're here in Vegas. And then you've got loads of different shops around here. There's an In-N-Out burger shop.
Honestly, I'm so excited to try In-N-Out burger.
Along with that down here, you've got a Gordon Ramsay fish and chip shop.
It looks lovely.
It does, yeah. So we'll kind of show you around this area, along with going on the High Roller. Sun's just gone down, and yeah, we're going to head up there and get some awesome views over Las Vegas. Let's go. Oh, it's a wonderful evening here, January 2022. We have the bright pink building over there. That's the Flamingo. They're actually real flamingos to see.
We're going to go and see them.
Yeah, have a little walk through there.
There it is.
In-N-Out burger. Oh, look at this. Yeah, really nice setup. It kind of reminds me a lot of Icon Park in Orlando, except there's no big star flyer here and no drop tower yet. However, it wouldn't surprise me if over the next few years this expands even more.
It's lovely around here, really, really nice.
I think a drop tower would be great here. But yeah, you got a nice fountain package there. 10 out of 10 on the fountain package. Charlotte just keeps looking over at that side.
You can buy t-shirts with burgers on them.
Charlotte has just had a Taco Bell though.
I did, and it was so good.
They are back in the UK now
It
though.
was so good.
Oh yeah, it's great round here. Fantastic atmosphere, early evening. So make our way down here, just off the Las Vegas Strip. Yeah, this is about a 15-minute walk from our hotel, Paris, Las Vegas. But yeah, we're going to be going up 540 feet on the High Roller. It's got a fantastic lighting package, and the design of it is awesome as well. Like, it is beautiful to look at, isn't it? Oh, Ghirardelli just over there. Oh, it tastes so good. She's going in. Why not? Oh, this tastes so good. They have that at Disney, and oh, so good. Well, if you don't fancy going on a real roller coaster whilst you're here in Las Vegas, you can go on a virtual reality one, and there you go. We've got a Mara spinning coaster just over here. That's Charlotte in shock, there you go.
They're like,
Oh, how good the ride is. There you go. What a funny place for restrooms, just off the side there. I thought that was a staff corridor, I did. Here you go, look at this. Mara spinning coaster. Virtual reality adventures. Just down here. You got quite a few different attractions as you're walking around.
water ride.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, why not? You got go-karts. Oh, there it is in there.
Oh, God.
There you go.
Sitting around.
How cool is that? I did something similar to that at IAPA actually. Like, oh, I love it.
Really?
Oh, that's great. Yeah, you got loads of shops down here. Very nice. Yeah, carry on down this way towards the entrance to the wheel, the High Roller. Which is just down this way, right at the bottom. We can see the fireworks all going off. There's some very nice restaurants down here. I mean, we are in Las Vegas, the entertainment capital of the world. And there's so much to look around here. The good thing is with the High Roller, it's a good long ride. As you can see, it's moving pretty slowly. And yeah, it is huge. When you stand here, you really get an idea on the size of it. Look at the moon just up there tonight. Wow, but yeah, looking forward to this. There's the monorail they've also got here in Las Vegas. Yeah, it's $5 for a single ride on the monorail, but you can get daily and weekly tickets as well. And here we go, down here at the main entrance to the High Roller. Here we go then, so we've made our way inside, and yeah, here's a look at this awesome Lego model. You can see all the capsules all on the side there, all the pods. Made of Lego, it's awesome that, isn't it? Yeah, very nice. Certified Lego Professional. Well, I mean, that's a tile, isn't it? So you can purchase any drinks that you want to get just over there before you board, which is pretty cool. And here's the entrance to the High Roller, the second tallest big wheel anywhere in the world. Let's go. Here's some awesome construction photos showing you the spine there going up and the size of the cables. That's really cool, look at that. I find it fascinating. I tell you what, it's won a lot of awards as well there, hasn't it? And there you go, there's its World Record Certificate from the 17th of April 2014. Wow, here we go. You looking forward to it, Charlotte? Going up. Let's go. Another escalator. What amazes me in Las Vegas, and if you've ever been here, you'll understand why. They've got escalators outside.
It's quite funny.
Like just across the road and stuff. You go up an escalator. Yeah, I like it. Right, here we go. Here we go. So yeah, we just had some photos with the green screen. Love taking photos of you here in Las Vegas. And yeah, look at the size of these. Absolutely massive.
Step all the way into the deck. Doors close.
That boy about to call me.
Stand toward the doors. The cabin is leaving the wheelhouse.
This is a really cool feature. There you go. It tells you the elapsed time up there in the top right and the elevation down in the bottom as we gradually make our way up over the Las Vegas Strip. I tell you what, it's not until you get on here that you realise just how big it really is. There's a nice view down towards the monorail track. Yeah, it runs all the way down, kind of the back of the strip, various different stations. Oh, is it coming down? Oh, there we go. Everything works better together. Oh, there you go. Yeah, Flamingo just over there. And yeah, look at this, we're pretty high already. And then yeah, look all the way up there. The lighting package is awesome on this. We're gonna get a great view, especially because the other day we didn't get to go up the Eiffel Tower at our hotel, you know, with it being closed. Kind of makes up for it going on this, because yeah, it's absolutely huge. And it's taller as well than the Eiffel Tower, so we're gonna get some great views. When I say taller than the Eiffel Tower, I mean the one here in Las Vegas, not the real one. So we're now at 340 feet above Las Vegas, and yeah, the view now absolutely awesome. As you can see there, Caesar's Palace just over there, the Colosseum just down there on the right hand side. And yeah, I love how you've got all the music and the audio in here as well. Yeah, Flamingo's looking good there. And look at the awesome lighting package, it's great. Yeah, if you are quite scared of heights, you haven't got to worry too much with this. You've got a lot of seating that you can kind of sit on away from the glass as well. Yes, you've got the ones close, and you, of course you come and stand up against the glass, but it's nice how you can also move a little bit further back as well. Gorgeous view, isn't it?
So nice.
Looking out over Vegas.
It's lovely, seeing all the lights.
Oh, it is, it's amazing, it really is. And yeah, we're only just past the halfway point. 450 feet above Las Vegas now, and look at the awesome view here. So we're looking out towards the Mirage over there now. Of course, that's very famous for its large fire volcano show. It's absolutely awesome. We're going to be covering that over on Adventure Sean. Treasure Island peeking out just around to the side there, and of course the Venetian Hotel there as well. Wow, love it up here. Just a party atmosphere. Of course, we can see Caesar's Palace again over in that direction, the Flamingo down here, the Bellagio over there as well. Wonderful timing with the fountains, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? Good to see.
Let's have a look what time it is.
It's great, isn't it? What time?
Oh, it's 30, so maybe.
Oh, okay, well, maybe so.
2 minutes.
Oh, maybe they'll just be starting momentarily, because obviously the fountains run every 15 minutes. So have they? Oh, there we go. Just make them out down there. So when they get big in a moment, we will definitely get to see those. There we go. And yeah, this is kind of looking out in the opposite way to the strip. That's down towards the Stratosphere Tower. You can just make out the big shot actually. Just over there with the red lighting up on the top. But yeah, that's the Stratosphere Tower. Of course, check out that vlog from a few days ago if you've not seen it. Love the audio, it really adds to it. Wow, look at this view. Nearly at the top now. Wow, look at this awesome view. Looking out over Vegas. And yeah, the Bellagio fountains just down there. Give you a bit of a zoom in down to those. Look at that. That's the beauty of this camera. It's got a good zoom on here. There you go, look at that. Every 15 minutes. Oh, wow. Just the size of them, amazing. Just looking down on them. It looks miniature from up here though, doesn't it? Yeah, I love the Bellagio. Beautiful hotel. Here we go then, right at the top now of the high roller, 550 feet above the Las Vegas Strip. It's well worth coming on here to get the awesome views, it really is. And especially at night as well. Las Vegas is great in the daytime, but at night with all the lighting, it really just comes alive. It really does. And from up here, of course, you get to see the Strip, but in the distance, you can just see nothing. You know, we're in the middle of the desert. It's amazing. I love this place. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This party is now over the top.
Wow, I like how they do all the countdowns and everything. That's really cool. What a great view. Palazzo just over there, the Venetian again. And yeah, you just make out the stratosphere in the distance.
It's Fashion Vegas.
So there's a look down on the link area. Of course, where we started the vlog, you can see the fountains just down there. Yeah, it's huge. It's amazing. Really do like it up here. Yeah, it's great how they do the countdown and all the audio. Another great view of the Mirage. But it shows just how, you know, not built up Las Vegas is off the Strip. You know, the Strip, of course, is the heart of it all. But yeah, like you go away from the Strip and yeah, you know, it's not very built up at all in those areas. Mostly just parking lots around the back. Hilton Grand Vacations, MGM Grand down there. Of course, you've also got the New York Hotel just over in that direction as well. We'll zoom in a little bit over towards there so you can see it. Obviously, it's quite hard with all the other buildings. You can also see the Luxor over there as well with the beam of light shining up into the sky. It doesn't really pick up that well on the camera. Mandalay Bay down there at the side as well. But yeah, there's the Eiffel Tower. It's a shame that we didn't get to do that, but yeah, it's one of them things, something to do on a future trip. Just would have been nice whilst we were staying here actually at the Paris Las Vegas to have done that. But you know, I think the view's probably going to be better up here. However, I bet you get a cracking view of the fountains from up there on the Eiffel Tower, so we'll have to do that at some point in the future. I'm sure we'll come back to Vegas. Love it. There goes the monorail. I do love how they got the monorail here in Vegas. It is a great way of getting around. We used it actually when we came back from the Stratosphere because of the stop located at our hotel. However, I do feel like more people would use the monorail if it had been built more actually along the Strip itself, because yeah, the Strip obviously runs along the front of the Flamingo and the monorail is further back, you know, which is still great. It's a good way of getting around, but all the stations are kind of at the back of the hotels, so you've got to walk through them. I think a lot more people would use it if it had been built kind of down the middle of the Strip. But then I suppose there wouldn't have been the space to have done that either. What are you thinking then to the high roller?
Oh, it's lovely, that one. Really good.
Yeah, great views.
Amazing views. I think it's one of them that you've got to do at night to get the full, like, Strip.
Definitely. I say that in the daytime. I bet you get a good view of all the mountains around as well. So there is pros and cons to them, but I think Vegas is famous at night. Seeing all the lights, seeing the Strip lit up, really is amazing. And it also makes you appreciate all the different styles of hotels here. You've got some of the newer buildings like the Cosmopolitan, you can see just over there. And then of course some of the classics like the Flamingo just here, you know. You really get that good mix here in Vegas. It's fantastic. And the good thing is most stuff is actually walkable here as well, all the way down the Strip.
Number 9. Visit the Yard House at the Link for great food, classic rock, and 180 taps from the best American craft and import beers.
Well, we're nearly down now from the high roller, the last few minutes of the experience. Just thought I'd show you a bit of a zoom in here for any tech geeks out there like myself. Look at the lighting package. You know, bear in mind, that's just at the bottom section here. All the way around the wheel, all the structure of it, full of these huge LED lights. You know me, I love tech. And yeah, some money's worth on here. I like how it changes all the time as well. Fantastic. We are making our way down here. And of course, up next, we're going to be going on the zip wire that runs all the way across the link here. Yeah, looking forward to that. Never done it before.
Thanks for joining us for a loop over this fun-filled city and making us a part of your night on the town in Las Vegas.
Here we go then, so we just come off the high roller and yeah, just thought I'd show you some of the merchandise down here. $24.95. Photos were $30 for one, $60 if you wanted all 4 or 5.
Yeah, there's 5, yeah. That's a lot of money now.
A lot of money, but there you go. Enjoyed the wheel though. There you go. Get yourself a nice t-shirt, why not?
That's quite nice.
A little resin just there. There you go. It's a bit out of proportion that though, I think, you know.
Yeah.
That's how it actually is. Yeah.
Nice little glass.
Yeah, nice little merch shop here at the end. Well, that's all then from our visits here to the High Roller at the Link here in Las Vegas. Fantastic views from up there.
It was lovely. The views was incredible.
Yeah, it's great on there at night, looking out over the strip. You see everything here in Las Vegas, apart from the Stratosphere Tower, really.
I know.
All you can see is the top of it. I think the last time I went on there, the hotel that's kind of been built in front of it, wasn't there. So obviously that's been built now, and it's covering it up, so you can't see it. And that's the thing, Las Vegas is always developing, it's always changing.
Okay, it was getting bigger.
It is getting bigger, and there's even more to see. But I really like it down here at the Link. We're going to be sharing some more of it in the video from the zip wire that we're going to be doing down here as
I'm
well.
excited.
So yeah, stay tuned for that. It's coming up next here on Theme Park Worldwide. But no, High Roller, really good, and I think it's a great attraction to do if you come in here. I don't think you can come to Vegas and not do it, really.
No, because the views are incredible.
On the second tallest Ferris wheel in the world. There you go. These records don't last that long, do
They
they?
don't.
Especially with Dubai. I would say that Las Vegas and Dubai are always kind of trying to compete with each other now. Two very different places, but two amazing places. I'd love to start to see Dubai at some
I'd love
point.
to see it.
Yeah, over in the UAE. Very different, but you know what? I'd love to get back there at some point as well and do some of the theme parks. But yes, it's been fantastic. Thanks for joining us here from the High Roller, and thanks again to Caesars Entertainment for providing us with the tickets so we can show you what it's like. But there we go, a great ride on there, and lots more coming up still here from Vegas, here on Theme Park Worldwide. That leaves us with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. See you tomorrow.